So you've decided you're going to go paperback with your book. There is one step you must do before Amazon will let you. So I'm going to show you how. Hey everybody, today we're going to look at how to do your copyright. First thing, you'll need to go to copyright.gov and you come down here to register your works. You'll have to make a login. I already have one. Once you're logged in, you will do a standard application unless you're doing a group of unpublished works. Group of unpublished works would be if you're doing like a full series at the same time. So you click on standard application. You have to have the information. You pay the fee, which is $45. And then you'll have to upload your manuscript. They prefer PDF. I think they'll take a .doc though. Go to start registration. You'll pick here the type of work. In our case, it's a literary work. Click the box to confirm you've read the description above and go to continue. You give the title exactly as it appears on the work. If there's no title, give an identifying phrase or state untitled. Has this work been published? Yes or no. Year of completion, we'll just put 2024 for now. If you have a pre-registration number, fine. Otherwise, you don't need one. Author, you will add yourself. If you have a pen name on it, that's a thing too. Save it, and you'll say text. If you made a computer program, a photograph, or if it's artwork. Once you're on there, you continue. Claimants, if there's anybody that has any other copyright claim to this, you'll have to add them too. Co-authors, things like that. Okay, so this is if there's this limitation of claim, if there's any previously published work in it, such as text from another book or from another author or their work. If there's any artwork, so on and so forth. Photographs, you'll have to put those in here as well. Rights and permission. So this would be like if you have an agent or if you'd rather use a P.O. box on your information for your mail. It might also be if you have a power of attorney that has come up before. This is just your contact information in case they need to call you about something going on with it. Mail certificate. Do you want it mailed to you, emailed to you? They're going to mail you a copy regardless. So do that. So on this page, this is only if you want to do special handling. Ignore all of this unless you have a reason for it. It does not go any faster. Certification. This is you certifying you're the author. You'll put your name. So now down here, it's not a published work, created it there, publication and all that. I didn't put any of this information in there yet because I'm not actually doing one. And basically, at this point, you will add to the cart. I haven't finished everything, so if you haven't done that, it'll bring you to this screen. And that's it. You pay for it. You upload your manuscript. It'll give you, it has a whole page just to upload your manuscript. And that's it. You put it in there. They're going to take roughly 8 or 9 weeks to process it and then mail it to you. The shortest I've got one back is 4 weeks. The longest it's taken is 10 weeks. But when you get this, keep it. It is your paperwork with the Library of Congress stating that you have the copyright. You hold the rights to your work. If you're going to do a paperback, you have to do this. I hope that was helpful. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.